Hello, I'm Andy. Today we are going to make Big Mac. Big Mac is the first burger I've ever had as a kid. So we'll see if we can make that at home today. $180 of water and 30 of milk. Sugar. Yeast. About 4 grams. Okay. Put it in the oven. Proofing mode is 95 Fahrenheit. So we'll use both bread flour and all-purpose flour. Almost 330, almost. And we want 360 in total. So now after some time, our yeast is activated.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante.
Okay, so now the dough is done.
Non chiudrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo. riposo. Ma ci sei tua dolcino d'amor, delle belle tornando riposo. Ma ci sei tua dolcino d'amor. Fra guerrieri può far bacco, gran bustacchi stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, muso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante. Ed invece del fandango una marcia per il fango, per montagne, per valloni, con le nevi e salioni, al concerto di tromboni, di bombarde e di cannoni, che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, non più avrai quel cappello, non più avrai quella chioma, non più avrai quell'aria brillante.
Countdown 3, 2, 1. Oh. So now we'll cut the buns into 3 slices. For the Big Mac sauce, we have mayo, just your hot dog mustard, there's sweet pickled relish, there's paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now we're going to make the patties. So I made this out of tin foil. You can do whatever you want at home, maybe grab a bowl or something, as long as it works. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Each of McDonald's patties is 1/10 of a pound, so it's around 45-46 grams. Okay, now we're gonna pan fry the patties and salt and pepper. We can also add some salt and pepper to the onions. Okay, the buns are toast. So, first step, so we're gonna put the crown and the middle together, or the club, and then the bottom there. Big Mac sauce on both sides. We'll make 2 regular Big Macs, one with both onions, grilled and raw onions, and the last one we'll pim it up with everything we got left. Onions on both sides. Onion on the last 2. And lettuce again on both sides. Two slices of pickle on the top only. And cheese at the bottom. And 2 pieces of meat. And then you fry this. Okay, so I'll eat one regular one and the one that's pinned up, and the other 2 I'll give it to my dad. Okay. So you guys are like, So well.
In summary, it was obvious that I was trying to make a Big Mac, but with some noticeable differences on the look. The taste, I would say it tastes around 80% alike, but it has a bit more flavor than a regular Big Mac. It would cost around 40 to 50% cheaper than buying them. It could last maybe a day or 2, and it is easily scalable, meaning it takes very little extra time if you want to make more, like double the batch. So if you have a big family or if you're hosting a big party, you can make a lot and it will become increasingly more worth it for your time to make them. It is quite easy in terms of prep work and cleaning and the techniques required to make them, and the number and variety of the ingredients and tools required. In my opinion, one has to make enough for at least 2 adult meals for it to worth it to make the Big Macs on your own. Most of the time it takes is from waiting for the buns to ferment. As such, if you want, you could just go to a supermarket and buy some burger buns and save that time. You can just use the crown and the bottom of a bun as a club within the other bun if presentation is not too important for your case. I would like to thank Team for encouraging me to start making YouTube videos, and thank you Lily for giving me baking advice, Melissa for shooting some of the videos for me, Sheen for creating the thumbnail for me, Candy for letting me take some of the shots at her place, and Raymond for letting me use some of his music and performances. Finally, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.